There we go. There we go. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. Yeah, yeah. It's getting late and I'm getting delirious. Ooh, what's in my teeth? Rude. Hey guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, my name is Tamika and we get into all things fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff, but hashtag affordable. And if that is something that you guys are into, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family. And let's hop right into the video. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, we have another makeup collaboration to review. And in today's video, we will be reviewing the Tammi x Revolution collaboration. This is the Tropical Twilight collection, I believe it's called. We have the Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette, which comes with 28 amazing colors, as you can see here. My camera will focus. Here we go. We got 28 beautiful colors in here. We got loads of mattes. Got some shimmers, and then we also got some pressed glitters all throughout here. This one right here, I believe it's called Firefly. Yeah, it's called Firefly, but that looks amazing. It's kind of like duochromish, depending on which way you kind of hold the palette. You'll see like flecks of brown, some green in there, or some red or orange. But I think it's really cool. And then we have another pressed glitter down here, this really hot pink one, and then I believe this one right here as well. But yeah, so that is the eyeshadow palette. It also comes with a very huge mirror, which I love. Then we have the face palette, which I got Paradise Glow, which this one is for deep skin tones. She has a darker one. I don't know what that one is called, but it's for dark. So we got deep and then we have dark. So this one is the lightest one. But yeah, so that is the face palette here. And as you can see, we have like an orangey blush here. We've got a contour shade down here, bronzing shade, and a highlighter. And I feel like these are pretty decent sized pans for these products, which is pretty cool. All right, and last but not least, I picked up the lip kit, which comes with two glosses and a lip liner. This lip liner is like a dark brown. It's in the shade Glory. This lip gloss is in the shade Muse, which is like a light nude. And then this one is just a little bit deeper. This one is called Gone Rogue. So two glosses and a lip liner. I can't wait to try that out because these colors look amazing. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. This eyeshadow palette retails for $25. The face palette retails for $15. And the lip kit also retails for $15. So just in case you guys are wondering, those are the prices. I will go ahead and be sure to link this down below. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of these, the link will be down below. So we're just going to hop right into creating a look here. I'm not really sure where I want to go, so I might need to take a minute to sift through these colors and decide where I want to go with my look today. So BRB. Alright, so going in with Sundown up here, which is kind of like a brick red kind of color. I'm going to use that as my transition and apply this in this area. What is that called? It's not the crease, really, is it? This general area. We're going to apply that there. That's definitely pigmented. I feel like this color is a little bit more pink than I was anticipating. So we're just going to go ahead and try to blow this out as much as I can. Definitely a little bit more pinker than I was anticipating. It could be because of the base that I have on underneath it, making it a little bit lighter than I was hoping for, but that's okay. We'll make it work. And then we're just going to bring it out on the ends because we want to wing it out just a tad. A clean brush, I'm just going to go over that and feather that a little bit more. Alright, so next up, what I really like about this too is that the ease of just like holding it, like I folded it back all the way, and then the lid of the palette is a little bit longer than the bottom, so I'm able to hold it so easily, just like this. Fling it around. Let me not fling it too much before something fall out. That's not supposed to. But yeah, I really like the ease of how I can hold it so nicely. So next I'm going to go in with this deep brown right here, which is called Coconuts. Yeah, Coconuts right up here. And then going in with my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to apply this to the inner and outer portion, kind of going in with a, going in to create a halo look. Just going to go ahead and just stamp this in here, leaving a little bit of an opening in the center where I'm going to place my glitter. And then with a clean brush, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of connect that just a tad. Alright, now for the center of the eye, I am really being pulled towards Firefly, which is like a pressed glitter. And I am just going to go straight in with my finger and see what happens. Oh, what's in my teeth? Rude. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm going to go in with my finger into Firefly and just pick that. This is super creamy. If you can see that there, this is what the swatch looks like on the finger. Let's go ahead and put this on the eye and see what that looks like. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so this color is definitely giving me like Halloween vibes. That orange definitely pops with like hints of green in there. And the glitter is doing a fine job of sticking to the eye without me having to use a glitter glue. So it's sticking to the eye just fine. Alright, then going back in with Coconuts just to deepen up the outer and inner corner again. Now there is quite a decent amount of fallout that I'm getting from the glitter. There is some fallout that I'm also getting from the brown color. So I would say that if you're a person that does foundation before your eyes, you might want to do eyes first, then foundation. That way you can go ahead and clean up your face. Then you won't have to mess up your foundation. For the inner corner, I want to go in with this gold right here, which is called Glow. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on and come back and play in this face palette. So, be right back. Alright. Alright, so I'm back with my face mostly done. So now we're going to hop into this face palette right here. The face palette right here, and I am going to go into Contoured Cutie for a little bit of contour. Now, I heard that this was very pigmented, so I'm gonna try to go in very lightly. Let me see how. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that there, but on my hand right here, I just barely tapped into the palette, and yeah. Okay, so let me try to dust off the excess because I'm not trying to look like go in very lightly because, and that's a very cool toned contour for me. Oh Lord. Ever so lightly go in. Ooh, wow. Wow. Okay. It's a little bit cool. So I'm gonna only go in with just a tad. Oh my Lord. You really gotta. You see that? You see how defined that is? Really, talk about cutting your cheekbones. That is the littlest amount. You really don't have to go in with a lot, because I literally tapped in and I tapped off the excess, and we're still getting this. That's great. Okay, so that's just our contour. We didn't even go in and bronze. That's just the contour to give a little bit of definition to the cheeks. I feel so weird holding my brush like this. Like, who am I, Amber Shoal? That's all I love Amber, but Amber be putting out her makeup like whatever, it works for her, but it's just so funny to me. You guys like my little didn't mention it before, but my little makeup headband situation? I got this from Shein. I'm going to be doing another Shein accessories haul for you guys that is coming up pretty soon, so definitely look out for that. But yeah, so that's it for contour. We're going to go into bronzing, my favorite. So this is Bronze Goddess. I'm going to go in. That might have been too much. Tap off the excess and just go right in to bronze up the face. I'm really impressed. Like, I never really go in with contour like that, like a cool contour, which technically if you want to contour, you want to go in with a cool shade. But to me, I feel like it looks kind of dirty, like dirt on my skin. So that's why I just rather go in with bronzer or contour sticks that are warmer on my skin tone, because I just like that bronzed look. But you can definitely see where that shadow from the cool contour is really, like, it's really punching and really, I don't know, it looks really good. That's a contour. Yeah. Alright, so now we are going to go into blush. So this brush is a brush. This blush right here, which is called Tropical Queen. Now we're going to go in with Paradise Glow, the highlight in the palette on the skin. So it's definitely a subtle glow. It's like a glow from within. Very skin-like finish, or skin finish I should say. It's not a chunky glitter. It's fine. It just looks like a natural glow to the skin. It kind of looks like a wet glow. Put some of this in my brow bone. Alright, so that is it for the face palette. Now we go into lips. Alright, going in with Glory Lip Liner, which is just like a deep brown lip liner. You know what? I feel like I want to go in with the lighter one. And this is Muse. And these are glosses, so it's not a liquid lipstick. They are glosses. So let's go ahead and put that on and see what that looks like. Oh, it's pretty. First of all, that's very opaque. Oh yeah, I love that. Alright guys, so that is it for the look so far. I'm just going to go ahead, finish off the rest of my face, apply my lashes, and then I'm going to come back in with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the completed look using the Tammi X Revolution Tropical Twilight Collaboration, Collection, whatever you want to call it. But Tammi, You did it once again. This collaboration is amazing. I love the palette. I love the face palette, the bronzers, the contour, the highlight, I mean everything. The eyeshadow palette is super pigmented. I can't wait to dive into more of these colors and try to create some more colorful looks for you guys. But yeah, I really love the palette. This face palette, talk about pigmentation. This, I mean, what more can I say? This, I think this will last you a very long time because you do not have to go in heavy-handed into this palette because the color payoff is there. Amazing. And last but not least, this lip kit. Beautiful. This color that I have on, I always forget what this is called. This light brown, which is called Muse. I mean, it matches my skin. That's a nude. That's a nude. Yes, I really love this color. The liner is amazing. As you can see, I don't have on any lashes. I said I was going to put on lashes, but the way I can't find my glue right now, and I'm not going to look for it because it's super late. We just went ahead and put on a whole bunch of mascara and called it a night. So, but yeah, that is it for this review. Like I said, I really enjoyed this collection. I love everything about it. I would recommend, if you are interested in picking this up, definitely go ahead and pick this up. If you could only pick up one thing out of this collection, I would definitely say the eyeshadow palette, of course, because you can do so many things with this. You can even use some shades in here as your contour and bronzer. I mean, you gotta think outside the box, but yeah, the eyeshadow palette, you will definitely get a bang for your buck. I mean, yeah, I love everything about the collection. So if you guys are interested, like I said in the beginning, I will have this all linked down below if you guys are interested in picking this up for yourself. But congratulations again to Tammi. This is another spot on absolutely great collaboration. Congratulations to you. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take a whole bunch of pictures now instead of going to sleep. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.